Hello, this is ConeyWorks. I'm gonna show you two scripts that me and Chase Cobb has been making because Adobe should just have these features in Animate, but they don't. So we made the scripts so that you guys can be happy. You can just download it for free and use it however you want, whatever, right? Cool, nice. All right, so the first script, it's a script that exports all layers as PNG sequences because that's annoying to do by hand, and also not everyone uses Adobe After Effects. So all you do is you have everything on separate layers, right, or whatever, and then you hit a command that says export layers, and then you choose wherever you want it, and it's going to export out a folder called whatever the project name is, and usually that's the scene name, right? And in here, you'll have all the PNG sequences. 0, 0 is the first layer, and 0, 1 is the second one. So then you can keep track of that, and then you can just pull it into whatever, video editing software that you're using, and have fun with that. And that's super fast and super easy to use. And then the second one is this sprite sheet generator thingy. So usually when you make sprite sheets, the annoying thing is like when you want to do multiple, you have to do it one by one, and it takes a lot of time and it's annoying, and you have to like write in a bunch of stuff and find paths and blah blah blah. And if you would export it like this and try to do multiple things at once, then it's gonna be putting it into like one sheet and everything in one place, and that's gonna be a pain to update when you make new characters for your game. And then so you need to do it separately. So we made a script for that as well. So you just box select everything that you want to export, then you go to commands, and then you hit export selection as sprite sheets, and it's gonna spit out every single symbol as its own sprite sheet, and it's gonna be exporting a folder wherever you put your project file, and it's gonna call the folder export. And then in here, you're gonna have all the sprites that you wanna be using, and you also get the code, so you can get all the placements, and your programmer's gonna be really happy that you gave them this. And if you wanna change any of the settings, because if you go into like normally into the sprite sheets exporter, you have like a bunch of stuff here that you can change. Sometimes engines don't like stacked frames, for instance, so maybe you want to turn that off. So what you do is you open the script in Animate, and then you scroll down to export, and then you find whatever you want to change, right? So maybe you want to turn off the stack duplicate frames thing to false, and then you just change this to false, and then it's going to be turned off. If you turn it to true, it's going to be on, right? And then the same thing with this algorithm things. You just tell it whatever you want there. But I worked in animation and games for a long time, and these settings are totally fine for most engines. Use it however you want. I love you. I'll see you later. Bye bye.